YouTube, Eric DIY with another video review for you. Today we're reviewing the SGODDE 10x50 High Power Binoculars. It comes with its own carrying case and the binoculars themselves. So as you can see, they're pretty nice binoculars. Nice lenses, nice rubberized coating, built durable. And they're 10x50. The first 10 means that it zooms up to 10 times the distance. So things seem 10 times closer than what they really are. It has adjustable cups right here, which is nice to see. And it has the adjuster of focus and vision right here. You see that it definitely works because it goes out and in. So, seems to be a very nice pair of binoculars. Let's take a look at what they look like when you look through them. So the way that we're going to do this is, if you see this button right here, this is for a tripod adapter. And I actually went ahead and bought one. You just twist it off to the left, and then the tripod will screw right into this little threaded hole. Now, we have the tripod here. We have the little adapter. It just screws right into the thread right there. And we're going to screw this little hole onto this thread right here, and that will hold the binoculars. And now we'll be able to use the binoculars as part of the tripod. We can move it around and pan it to wherever we want to by undoing those things and moving it to where we want. Alright, so what we're going to do to show you the power of these binoculars is, we have the binoculars here, but we have a campfire right over there. Let me just adjust this. Right there. So we're going to zoom in on that with the binoculars. That was zoomed in with my camera, which is a new feature for this new camera. Alright, so we're going to try our best to focus on that campfire over there. And we're going to hold up one binocular. It should be the same view as two. Zoomed in. And here we go. I'll try my best. And as you can see, it clearly magnifies up to 10 times. I'm going to try to get it even better. There you go. And you'll be seeing that in each eye right there. It match up and it look like that. So it does a really nice job magnifying things from afar. So other than the bag that they also include a microfiber cleaning cloth for the lenses. And these come on the binoculars itself. I already showed you this. This is the covers for the big part of the lens. It also has these for where you put your eyes to cover up that glass and protect it. So overall, if you're looking for a nice cheap pair of binoculars, this would definitely be for you. One more object we'll review through the binoculars is this tree stump right there. I have it zoomed in currently. I'm going to zoom out to show you how far away it is. And now we'll try to position the binoculars in a way that you can see it. And there you can clearly see that it does magnify it up to 10 times. This is with the binoculars and without. With, sorry, it's hard to do it with one lens here. And without. So the binoculars definitely work, and they're very nice. And that's my review of the SGODDE 10x50 High Power Binoculars. They're very, very nice. They have a nice quality to them. They are 10 times magnifying. And they include all the things that you would need for a beginning pair of binoculars. If you'd like to purchase the SGODDE 10x50 High Power Binoculars, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. Also, please push on the bell notification icon so that way you will be notified when we upload more videos to YouTube. And as always, have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.